Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new here, my name is Lollie, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get glam in 10 minutes. That's right, just 10 minutes. I think we should actually be calling ourselves Glam Squad, right? Anyway, that aside, I'll be showing you guys how to get glam in 10 minutes. I'll be showing you guys how to get this look on my face in 10 minutes. I know not everyone has all the time in the world to spend on their mirrors getting glam like I do. I'm not in school at the moment, so I have all the time to spend here doing my makeup, but not everyone has that kind of time. So I'll show you guys how I get my makeup done in a rush, like when I'm going to school. Though I'm not usually very glam in school. Maybe if you're attending a party or something like that and you don't have the time, I'll be showing you guys how to do it in exactly 10 minutes. For you guys, it may not take 10 minutes, and this video will not be 10 minutes since I'll be talking you guys through the entire process. But the more you understand your body, the more you understand your face and the looks you want, the quicker it will be for you guys. And yeah, that's it for that. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing is to prime my face, and I'll be using my MAC Fix Plus, which is a prep and prime. So I'll just take that and spritz it all over my face and let that sink into my skin. So the first thing is actually to do your brows. So I'll just be using my usual Davis eye pencil, but since it's just a quick glam, I won't spend so much time on my brows. So I'll just draw the outline with the pencil, then fill in the rest with a powder. It's just a very quick eyebrow. So I'll just draw the outline. So that's it, my outline is done. So I'll just blend, then fill in the gaps with the powder. When I say powder, I used this darkest shade from my City Color palette. I think you can see the palette is a very pretty palette. This is the shade I'll be using. So next, after that, I'll just be using some leftover product that is on my brush. This is just because we don't want anything too elaborate for the brows. So it's just a little product. As you can see, since the product was very little, there's no need to clean up a lot. So I'm just gonna finish the other one, then I'll be back. So we are done with my brows, so we are off to my eyeshadow. So first of all, I'll be taking this Pro Conceal and priming my eyelids real quick. So I'll just place that all over my eyelids. Then I get a nice brush and use that to blend all the product in. This is the brush I'll be using to blend it all in. Oh, it's in the shade Cool Tan. It's the same one I highlight my under eyes with. So for my eyeshadow, I go for something very minimal, very quick to place, and I'll be using, I think I should go to the City Color palette. I'll be using this brown right here. I don't know if you guys can see it well. This one, it's very close to my skin color, although it's very cool toned, and that's what I'll be placing all over my eyelid. I won't even be using a mirror for that. So that's basically just to set my eyeshadow, or I mean my concealer. So next thing, because I told you guys this is a very glam but a 10-minute look, I'll just be going for this darkest shade right here, and I'll place that on the outer V. Just very little, like that. I think you can see the shade has already been placed. Again on my outer V. And that's basically it. I'll just pick a blending brush and I use... Did you guys just see that? Did you guys just see that? So that brush is done with. Let me find another brush. So I'll just pick this very fluffy brush and I'll use that to blend that into my eye. And yeah, that's blended out. I can see some of it fell off right here. I'll just wipe that off with my finger that way. And I think that's basically it for my eye. If I'm feeling extra glam, I may pick a shimmery shade and place that on my lid, but I'm not feeling very glam. But I think I'll just do that for you guys. I'll just pick this shade right here and place that all over my lid. I'll just pick that up with my finger. It's a nice bronze kind of shade. Does it what you guys think about my nails? I'm loving them. So I'll just pick that up and place that all over my eyelid. And that's basically it. As you guys can see, we are done with our eyes. Yeah, we're done with the eyes. So we are on to the face. For my face, I don't do foundation and I'm in very much of a hurry, yet I still want to look glam. I'll just do my highlighting and contouring direct because this is a very full coverage concealer. It's not a big deal. Nothing with the same concealer I used to prime my eyelids and place that all over under my all over my under eyes in a V. I like how bright this shade is actually. Make sure you place enough. By the way, don't place too little, it will not show. A tad bit on my chin and a very small amount on my forehead, and that is basically it. And I won't go directly into blending that. I'll place my contouring shade right next. I think this shade is just 1 or 2 shades lighter than me, and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa. So I'll just take that and place that right there where it's supposed to be, right there, and that's it. I don't contour my nose and just my nose. I don't contour my nose on a day-to-day basis, so I'll just pick this angled flat top brush and I just blend that into my skin just by tapping it, just a stippling sort of motion. So I usually start with my highlight first, then onto my contour. You guys can see how great that highlighting shade is, and you can see how full coverage it is. I spread some of it onto my nose and on here. I blend my forehead one. So now that I'm done blending the highlight, I'll move on to blending the contour. As you can see that contour. It looks really nice, but not too much. I don't think it looks too much, so I'll just bring some of that towards the sides of my face like that. Let's do the same on this other side. As you guys can see, it's a very full coverage thing. Is too much, I may add a bit of the concealer. Let me just show you guys. I just add a tad bit of the concealer right here on my jawline and I blend that out, and that's basically it. We are done. It's on to setting my face. So you guys, I've just realized that my camera was off the whole time. I was filming myself setting my face and doing my under eyes, so I'll just run you guys through that really quick. So I set my face with my usual MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50. Yeah, this is the powder. I set my entire, let me just show you guys. I just set my entire face with that powder, including my highlighted areas, every single place, and you can see it has helped add some very nice coverage to my skin. And yeah, after that I did my under eye. I actually did my eyeliner. As you guys can see, I just used this eyeliner that I picked across the street, and I did my my waterline with a silver eyeliner. Actually, I think it's more of white. This is the one I used. This is what it looks like. And yeah, we are now on to my lower lash line. I'll be doing my lower lash line with this darkest shade that I used, and I'll be picking that with my eyebrow brush, and I'll just place that all over my lower lash line. So the next thing is, of course, my mascara. This is the mascara I usually use. Mascara is your savior since you're not doing lashes. In 10 minutes, I don't think you can face your lashes. So that is it, my mascara. And yeah, that's it for my eyes. Now it's on to the last thing, which is my lips. Like I told you, the lip is supposed to be bold so that it can bring out not bring out, so that it can be the center of the look, since you can't do a very complicated eye because of time. So for my lip, I'll be going my MAC Retro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fancy Pants. This is what it looks like. I told you guys I like storing my MAC products in their boxes. Okay, this is what it looks like. And first I'll be doing my inner corners with a brown lip liner, so that you guys, let me not break down right here, with a brown lip liner. So yeah, being in a rush, you guys, is so hard. Like I don't even know how I ended up not filming those bits. Like, so once I've already placed the entire lip liner on the places I'm supposed to place, just pick the lip stick and place that all over my lip. So while that dries, I'm just gonna clean around the sides, because of course I messed up. Just with the same angled brush I used to clean up my brows, I'll just pick a little bit of product. And once I've done that, I'll just blend that out. Oh, for those who are wondering, I've been using this Truly Topaz, Black Opal Truly Topaz, to do the cleaning out. So for anyone who'd like, oh, we are done with the look. I'll just go fix my hair, do everything else, and I'll be back. So by the way, before I go, if you want a nice option for this, you can get this Ewa one. It's the Ewa Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Obsessed. It's very, very similar to this, just a little brighter. Dupe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Oh wait, you guys, I forgot to do my highlight. So for my highlight today, I'll be mixing eyeshadows. Actually, I'll be mixing this gold eyeshadow with this sort of rose gold eyeshadow together, and I'll be using that to place my highlight. You guys know how important a highlight is, especially if you're going for a glowy look, glowy dewy sort of look. You guys can see that. It's a rather nice combination, by the way. I'm liking it. Close that on my nose, especially since I didn't contour. And on the bridge of the nose, you can see the way it's shining on my brow bone. Yeah, that's showing up. And just a tad bit of this pink shade on the inner corners of my eye, just to make the eye pop a bit. Okay, I'm going to have to get a brush to place that. Just a minute. So I just got this nice flash pea brush, and I'll just pick that. Whoa, yeah, okay. I'll pick some of that and put that on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And that is it. We are glam. I'm just gonna finish everything and I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. I'm just adding a little highlighter here on my shoulders, since I'm wearing an off shoulder top. As you guys can see, it's a very quick and very easy look to come together with. It just depends on you. You don't exactly have to do the exact same steps I've done. It depends on you. You can do browns, reds on your eyes. Like for me, I either go for this bright red or this dark brown look. I think this dark brown lipstick, because I think those are my two favorite glam dark lipsticks. And yeah, you just don't have to do every single step like foundation and all that, because it does take time, and not everyone has that time to spend on the mirror doing your highlight, placing your lashes. You just need to improvise. And yeah, that's it for this look. I hope you guys loved it. I really loved it. Ooh, a bit more of highlight. And by the way, highlighter is very important. If you want to look glam, you need to beam for the gods. Yeah, your highlight is very important if you want to look all glam and put together. And yeah, I think that's it. I set my face with the prep and prime again, and that's it for this look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.